As a new YouTuber, the first thing that comes up to your mind when you want to shoot your first video, the thing that is holding you back is, what is my background gonna be like? Maybe you look at your home environment, you don't see any appropriate place where you can sit down to shoot that your first video, because your background is holding you back to shoot that first video. It might be maybe you're living in an environment where you have so many people or family, or the background is not that great enough for you to start. Because as a new YouTuber, you don't start as big, because it's not everything that is there. You're starting gradually. So when you're starting gradually, sometimes the confidence is not there for you to shoot that first video, because you look at, where would I sit to shoot that my video? This is what is holding small YouTuber back, thinking that, oh, if I shoot this video, what will people gonna say? Are they gonna judge me? Are they gonna look at my background? Are they gonna say something negative about where I'm living, my living condition? So this fear of what people might judge you will hold you back from shooting that your first video. So don't worry, hang on a minute. I'm going to show you one tool or one app that will show you how to change your background. This is where you can build up your background so that you can feel very confident enough. And then I'll pop up another video, which is this one. This will show you how to generate that background that I'm going to show you. This video is how to show you how to create a background. And this video here will show you how to change your original background to this fake background, so that you will have that confidence enough for you to publish that your beautiful video. So if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria. I help YouTubers like yourself to grow their own YouTube channel. So let's dive into this app I'm going to show you. So the app we're talking about here, in order for you to generate a very beautiful background, so this app I'm going to use is called the Leonardo AI app, which is this one. You click on it, and from this, you see the features that comes in. You click on where it says Leonardo Phoenix V1, you click on it. And then from there, you click, it shows you some of the images I've already created, but this is not what we wanted. This is what I've been using, some of the background. Where you are heading out, you come to this feature where it says add. You click on that. So now I'm going to delete. This is what I've been creating. So we're going to start afresh. You're going to type in a prompt, what type of backgrounds that you want for your YouTube video. Remember, you've got only 150 points that they are giving you. So when you use all those points, then you have another 24 hours before they can add the points that you're going to use. So now we are going to create a background image. By creating, you need to be very, very specific on what you really wanted. So I'm going to type in to Leonardo to create for me. I would start by create beautiful living room, because I want it a living room for YouTube background. Then you need to prompt. So now I said create a beautiful living room for YouTube background. Then now I give it more prompting. The living room, you have to be very specific how you want your living room to look like. The living room should have a wardrobe and good lighting with table for editing. You give it another prompt, make it 16 by 9, because that's what the YouTube standard is. Let me read it again. Create a beautiful living room for YouTube background. The living room should have a wardrobe and good lighting with table for editing, and make it 16 by 9. Now you send and see what comes in, what comes up. So it didn't give me that much. So image may be, let me see. It looks okay, but let me see the other image, even though it didn't give me here. Let me click on, okay. All right, let me see another one. Okay, that looks much better. Let me see the last one. Okay, that looks better. So this is how you create. If you want to change, because I still got, if you look at the top side of the phone, the right hand side, I still got up to 130. So I still have more. So if you want to add something more, you want to change, you can go ahead and do some changes, maybe add some feature as well. Now I can say create a beautiful living room for YouTube background. You can say the living room should have a wardrobe and good lighting with table for editing. I can add something else to say include a YouTube logo, and you can say whatever you want to add. This is just a tutorial. Whatever features you want to add, you can add it. Now I said include a YouTube logo and laptop on table. Okay, and let's see what comes next. If you don't like that pictures that comes in, although that pictures will still remains there, but let's see what will come next. Voila, so this is what comes next. So you can just choose what you want. So how you can download it, see this arrow here, click on this arrow, that it says the image has been saved. Then you go for the other one, see this one, and you can download it. When you download it, exactly, it will save straight away to your image. It will save to your image. So you download this as well. So if you want, you can download all, then later on you can choose which one really suits you. So when you download, immediately it will save on your gallery, your video gallery. So I'll still use the old one here and download it as well. You'll never know when you're gonna use it. If you looked here, these are all the ones I've created. If you check here, these are all the ones I've created. Now you've seen the app. AI Leonardo is a very, very appropriate app that will show you how to make a beautiful background just by typing. As long as you have the right typing, the right wording to use, it will give you any set of backgrounds that you required. Just type in there, just request for or generate whatever background you want. Everything will just come out as the way you requested for it. And also another bonus I'm going to show you is, do you know that you can use Leonardo AI to generate your thumbnail as well? So check out on my next video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Let me know in the comment section below if you find this content very interesting, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to know. I'll see you on my next video. Take care and I love you all. Bye. Bye.